Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my August Boxycharm unboxing. We have here the base box and the premium box. So let's go ahead and get into this. I really don't remember anything. If I even picked anything, I don't. So we're just gonna take a look and see what I got. It says Boxycharm Go All Out on the card right there. The first item we have in here is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. There. Let's open this up and see what this looks like. This little bottle. The jar right here. Let's take a smell. It smells really good. It's a light mint green color right here. It smells spa-like. Kind of like cucumber-ish. Fresh. And this retails for $70. Oh boy. We have Iconic London Ultimate Bronzing Powder. Yes, I did. I chose this. I chose the color medium bronze. Oh, be right back. Card. I chose the color medium bronze. Let's see what the color looks like. That's what the packaging looks like there. Nice shiny. You can see my setup right in there. All right. Let's open this up. Oh my god. Oh, okay, it's a good shade. I was concerned about this because I tried to find like what the shades look like online, and since I've never used a bronzer from them, I was a little worried it might be really too dark or just really too light. And since it's summertime and I'm starting to get a tan, if I want to use this, I know this will show up. That retails for $35 if I didn't say so. The next is Ditto Cosmetics Limited Edition Venus 12 Shade Palette. It's right here. There are planets that are on here. It has tape, and these are the just probably definitely nothing. I don't know about this here. It's kind of not like my thing. Oh, Jesus. It's all, except for, like, three colors that are mattes. The other ones are a little, I don't know, funny. Okay, so when you swirl them around, they don't look like they're, I swatched that one, and these are what it turned out like. So it doesn't come across how it looks in the palette, but it looks like it might be something that I would have to have a supplement eyeshadow palette to go with it, especially for the mattes. So that's more like your shimmery colors. So let me see. And that's what the two colors look like on my hand right there. See? Alright, moving on. Oh, that, I don't know if I told you, it was no, I didn't tell you. $29.99. The next thing here we have AMNH Skincare Starry Collagen Eye Pads. Right in there. I don't want to open these up because I don't want air to get in there, even though I know they're probably individually sealed. But it says Starry Collagen Gel Eye Pads, anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, dark, reduces dark circles. I really cannot speak. I haven't filmed in a while, and it seems like since I stopped filming for a little bit because I had backup videos that were going up, and I was trying to spend time with my family for vacations and stuff. I don't even know what I'm saying, but that's what that cute little packaging is. And that retails for $32. Oh my. Next we have AM, it's AYAM Beauty Care Caviar Extract plus Dead Sea Minerals makeup remover wipes. You have that right there. I don't really use makeup wipes too much anymore. I do use it if I have makeup on my hands. It's pretty much that's all I use them for, because I use cotton rounds with my Garnier micellar water, or I use a makeup eraser cloth. That's the word I'm looking for. And that retails for $12. And that is what I got in my base box for August. Moving on to the premium box. Of course, we got the same, yes, the same card right here. Go all out. First thing we have here is from Wishful. It is the Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. Let's look. Pretty little packaging right here. Let's open this up and see if we can smell it, or if it has a safety seal. Oh, that's pretty little packaging. Lavender purple thing going on here. Oh, good. I don't like ones that are like sealed. Oh, that's thick. It smells like the other one, the Kate Somerville one. Just kind of, it's a cucumber herbally spa-like kind of a thing. Nothing. Kind of like a smell. Alright. And that retails for $49. Next we have Vesca Beauty Moonlit Dream Cream Shadow. Yep, this is it here. Alright, let's go take a look and see what the color is. The color is, did we say what the color is on here? Carina. I can't read. And it's like this brown. Oh, it's a squeeze tube. Like that. Let's see. Ooh, my, a lot came out. A lot came out. That's what it looks like right here. Let's go blend it in. Ooh. Okay. And that's it right here. The taupey brown, goldish color. Now I just got it all over myself. Very pretty. Bronzy shade. I actually kind of really like that. Next, oh, and that is $28. Next we have Bumble on Bumble Surf Styling Leave-In. So this is a leave-in treatment. Says Surf Styling Leave-In. It's for soft, sea-swept waves with UV protection. And that's what the container looks like right there. Please hold. Kitty cat at the door. Come on, ma'am. Come on, Pix. Okay. That's right there. And that goes for $30. Next in the box is Lux and Willow, the Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrating Facial Massager, and a kitty cat in the video. This is Pixie. And this is what the facial massager looks like. Quartz facial massager right in here. I don't want to take it out of the packaging, but it's what it looks like. A wand. Rub your oils and your serums and moisturizers into your face. So, you know, it helps with, it's like the lymphatic drainage. So like your puffiness, that helps with depuffing. I'm sure it also helps with, like I said, putting in your serums and all that fun jazz. And that goes for $79.99. Next we have the Zoeva Powerful Lip Twist. We have this in the color Grotto, I think is what that says. It looks like a dark color. That's it. Okay, beforehand. That's what the packaging looks like. Yeah. Alright, let's swatch this over here. And that's what the color is. So nothing wants to focus. It's like a plum brown. And it looks like this in its box. It goes for $14. She's sitting right here, laying down, wanting to be pet. Little crazy pixie. Next, we have the LaRousse Beauty Face Sticks. And I actually have some of these already. And the white one. And it works beautifully in removing everything. I mean, everything, including waterproof mascara, because I only use waterproof mascara because it won't hold my eyelashes will not hold a curl if I do not. And oh my God, these work like a dream. Now, what's different with these is we have, where did I read that at? The white is to remove makeup. The gray applies toner and serums, and the black is to wash the face. So you got your all-in-one right there. I'm sure you probably can still use the gray to wash your face, whatever. I mean, it does look like it's a different kind of thickness. So as you can see, the white looks a little bit more fluffier than the gray. The gray looks more like for serums. But I do have, like I said, I have the white ones already, and they work like a dream in removing all makeup. And those go for $24. And that is my Premium Boxycharm box. I don't know if I'm going to, I mean, I may film a try-on portion to this, especially with the makeup. There's only quite a few things in here. As far as skincare, like I've said, skincare I will never be trying, most likely, unless it's like a mask and I'm doing a nighttime routine or something. I won't be using any of them on camera, because I can't give you my honest opinion about anything, because I would have to be using them for a good while to see if they do anything to my face. I mean, I can tell you at that time if it feels moisturizing or not. That's about all I'm going to be able to tell you. But I may or may not do a try-on portion to this. So I guess you and I will both have to wait and see. And if I do, it will be, you know, how I usually do it. You know, one day it'll be that, and like the unboxing will be like on a Friday, and try-on will be on a Sunday. If not, you'll just see this Boxycharm on a Sunday. So that was it for both of my boxes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below anything that you would like to say to me. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And until I see you all again, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.